Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on like and unlike terms. In algebra, we need to understand the idea of like and unlike terms. This will allow us to successfully add and subtract the different terms in algebra. Like terms. In algebra, like terms are letters or groups of letters that are exactly the same in all respects except for the leading terms. Unlike terms. These are terms that are not the same. That is, one or more items are different. There may be different letters, or different powers, or both. Let's look at some examples here. Firstly, like terms. Those three are like terms because the letters are exactly the same and the powers are all one. The leading terms are different, but that doesn't matter. We're only looking at the letters. Here, the three terms are like terms because we have H and K in each term. It doesn't matter about the order. And here, those three are like terms because we have A and B, and in each case, we have A squared and B to the power of 1. Doesn't matter about the order. The following are examples of unlike terms. Those three are unlike terms because the letters are not the same. Exactly the same here. While we have M and Y in each, the powers are different. And here, those three are definitely unlike terms because no two terms, for example, are the same. Let's look at some examples. Simplify each of the following by collecting like terms. 5m plus 3m is 8m. The letters are the same. Each of them has a power of 1, so we just add the leading terms. 5 plus 3 is 8. They are like terms because the letters and the powers are the same, so that's 9a squared b. 6m plus 2m gives us 8m. 7k plus 3k is 10k. You can't add those together because they're unlike terms. 9h take away 4h is 5h. 8k take away 2k is 6k. That stays the same because they're unlike terms. 7m squared minus 3m squared is 4m squared. 5m take away 2m is 3m. And 8 take away 2 is 6. And they stay the same because each of them are unlike terms. None of them are alike. 8k cubed minus 2k cubed is 6k cubed. Minus 3k squared minus 4k squared is minus 7k squared. And minus 2k minus 6k is minus 8k. Over here we have three terms. Now let's underline any like terms if we see any. Let's look very carefully now. Here we have an m squared y cubed. That's not the same. Here's an m squared y cubed there. So those two that we underlined are like terms. 9m squared y cubed minus 3m squared y cubed is 6m squared y cubed. And we just put that term down. Those two are unlike terms because while the letters are the same, the powers are different. And here we have three unlike terms, so we keep them separate. We can't add them together. So this video has introduced us to the idea of like and unlike terms, and we've seen some examples which has shown us, these examples have shown us how we can add and subtract like terms, and if the terms are unlike, we cannot combine them together.